African dishes are so delicious and full of adventure. I'm making this because we don't have adequate source of light so that we can keep fresh fishes. So we normally smoke and dry the fish. So I tried to make a grilled fish out of the dried smoked fish. Here I'm making the sauce. This is going to go on top of the fish before grilling. Now I will go in with some stock cubes. 3 pieces of stock cubes are okay. These are some spices. There is curry powder and some mixed spices inside. So I'm going to gently mix the seasonings into the vegetables and allow it to simmer for some minutes. Wow, as you can see, the vegetables are soft and tender. So we are going to add these vegetables to our dried fish. Today I'm going to use a unique kind of fish and I'm going to grill it and pair it with some rice, some delicious rice. So this is a dried catfish. It has been smoked and dried. So I'm adding some oil all over the fish. Make sure to add or drizzle some oil to coat all of the fish. And then we bring the sauteed vegetables and add to the fish. So you can see the vegetables have covered the fish. Now I'm adding some mixed spices, add more stock cubes to it so that the fish tastes so delicious. So I'm going to wrap them in a paper foil, then put them on the grill and grill for up to an hour. Okay, little friend, it's time to go to the grill. In a pot, we are going to add some cabbage, bowl of cabbage and some little water and cover it. Let the cabbage cook because we are going to use it as the base for our rice. Now in a separate pot, we are going to go in with some oil and then some pepper sauce. Now I'm adding some mixed spices, salt and some seasoning cubes that are already crumbled. So I'm going to mix thoroughly and then I will add the parboiled rice into this mixture after simmering for like a minute or 2. Now this is the rice I'm adding, mixed thoroughly so that all that pepper sauce and seasonings are absorbed into the rice. So here we are not going to add some water. We'll just cover it with paper foil tightly and then cover the pot. Now we leave it on low heat to cook. Now it's time to check on our cabbage and you can see it's well cooked. Now after some minutes, I'm going to go in with some color and curry powder into the rice. This is the only water we are adding to the rice. Now remove all the leaves of the cabbage, or remove the amount or quantity you need for your family. Now after removing the leaves one after the other, we are going to use it as a bed for the rice to be served on. As you can see, my dear friends, our rice is totally cooked and tender, so fluffy and full of aroma. Now we are going to make the bed of cabbage where we are going to pour our rice and serve on top of. So you can see now I'm scooping the rice. Oh, it smells amazing. The aroma is just so fulfilling. Now our grilled fish is also ready. We are going to take this grilled fish and top the rice with it. So you can see now, grilled fish ready with the pepper sauce, vegetables. All of this goodness is going to go on top of this rice. Believe me, this rice tastes so amazing that even my babies are trying to just grab a pinch of this delicious rice and grilled dried fish. Try this and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Support my channel by sharing this post to your loved ones and try the recipe. Do let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Until next time, bye.